So Nana K of Nana's Food World is the one who inspired me to start my YouTube channel. So while you are there, please show her some love. Okay, like her video, share and subscribe. Go there and watch how to make this ayoyo soup and the stew. And you really, really love it. Thank you and God bless you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samira and today I have Nana's Food World. Her real name is Nana K. The K is a mystery, so don't ask. So I have Nana K visiting me today in my house and we've made this feast. Actually, she's made this feast.
We all made it because she made one and I made one.
Okay, it's true. I made the white one and she made the green and red one. She made the soup and I made the Tuo-Zaafi. So this is a collaboration between Nana's Food World and Bezalea God&Food. So yeah. So I'm going to link her channel down below for you to check it out. So you have to, if you want to know how we made the soup, you go to her channel and stay with me and we'll make the Tuo-Zaafi. So as I said in the intro, I'm going to be making the Tuo-Zaafi. So join me, let's do this together. It's very easy.
5 cedis.
5 cedis. 5 cedis, 5 cedis. So for the Tuo-Zaafi, you need maize meal or corn meal, okay? And then you need some cassava flour, what we call konkonte in Ghana, right? So we have 2 cups of the maize meal and 1 cup of the maize meal and 1 cup of the konkonte. So I'm going to be mixing 1 cup of the maize meal with water. That is the first step in making this Tuo-Zaafi, okay? Mix the 1 cup with water, right? And meanwhile, we have a saucepan with water boiling in it. We're going to add the mixture into the water to form the porridge or to make the koko. We're going to mix it and we'll leave it to boil. Once it boils, we scoop some of the porridge and set aside for mixing later. So that's the first part. You make the koko, right? So now the second part is you add the 2 cups of the maize meal or the corn meal, right? You mix it all in, right? Then you give it a stir. Once it's nicely incorporated, you start to add the cassava flour or the konkonte to it. Okay, so once you mix the konkonte to it, the next step is for you to add the rest of the porridge little by little. But one thing I like to share with you here is when you mix it and your Tuo-Zaafi does not seem soft enough like Tuo-Zaafi and you don't have enough of the porridge left, don't worry, don't panic. Just quickly make another batch of the porridge and start adding it. That's what I did, okay? Because sometimes you think you've got a measurement right, but then it all depends on you, how you want, whether you want more of the konkonte or more of the flour. If you are mixing your maize meal in or your ebrosam in and you feel that it is stiff, it is hard to mix, okay, just add your porridge, okay? Add some porridge to loosen things up. That's all that. So you can see that here, I'm using a pot. That is the extra porridge or extra koko that I made that I'm adding. Because Tuo-Zaafi means that the tuo has to be hot. Zaafi means hot. It means the tuo has to be very hot. And usually it has to be boiling. That's why our Shantis call it diehuru. Diehuru means something that is boiling. Okay, that's why they call it that way. So you need to make sure it's that soft. But then it is food. You make your food however you want it. If you want it super soft, you add more porridge. If you don't want it super soft, that's it. Don't worry about it. Okay, so that's what I did here. I did what I wanted to eat. So whether it is soft enough or not, it is my choice. So you to make it however you want it. Softer or firmer is your choice. But Tuo-Zaafi there, it has to boil. You see, it has to be very soft, so make it soft. So there you go. That is the Tuo-Zaafi, all done, ready to be eaten. And I'm
Come along with me.
I'm supposed to come along. Come along here in the line. I can't say come along. So let's try it and see how it goes.
Hey, Mr. Kramer,
down hold that you made baby. I have no words.
No words. Please call the rest to come and eat.
You're all invited.
We invited.
See, you're starting your deal.
Yeah,
You're starting the dada.
That's my stuff.
Yeah.
Please, now that we finish making the Tuo-Zaafi, please make your way to Anes Food World and go and see how to make the soup, the ayoyo and the stew. And then you can pair it with your Tuo-Zaafi. Thank you all for joining me, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.